Number 16, in a game, two players each spin the spinners and add the two numbers. Player A wins with a sum of 7 or more. Otherwise, player B wins. Determine whether the game is fair. So if we look at the spinners, the first spinner has 4 numbers with 1, 2, 3, and 4 as the possible outcomes. Spinner 2 has 3 with 1, 2, and 3 as possible outcomes. So if we consider all the possibilities of adding up the 2, the minimum for 1 is going to be 1 plus 1, which is 2, or 1 plus 2, which is 3, or 1 plus 3, which will be 4. Or we can have 2 adding the 3 together, so that will be 2 plus 1, which is 3, it's already on the list. 2 plus 2, which is 4, which is already on the list. 2 plus 3, which is 5, so that is a new one. And then we can take the next one, which is 3, we're going to add 1 to it, and that will be 4, it's already on the list. 3 plus 2 is 5, so on and so forth. 3 plus 3 is 6, that's a new one. And finally, with 4 plus 1 is 5, it's on the list. 4 plus 2 is 6, and finally 4 plus 3 is 7. So these are all the possible outcomes of adding the two spinners together when you spin consecutively. And if we look at the results, that if player A wins if there's a sum of 7 or more. Well, we only have 1 7 and there's no more, so that would mean that player A has a chance of 1 out of 7 winning, and that leaves player B 1 out of 6 possible, and that leaves player B 5 out of 6 chance. So in this case, it is clearly unfair for player A that they have a less chance of winning. So the answer is no, this is not a fair game.